getting into the time of year where tornadoes and severe thunderstorms are more common, so we're going to see the frequency of storms like this increase across the area. Now, this part of the country, we generally don't see a whole lot of nocturnal tornadoes. Doesn't mean it can't happen and it doesn't happen, because obviously it just happened, but usually we don't get quite as many nighttime tornadoes as we do during the afternoon and evening. But again, ramping up to this time of year, March, April, May, we are at least going to see an increased frequency in these types of storms.